Hello, my name is Abhishek and I am a data scientist. In this video, I am going to talk about the best approach to become a data analyst. How would I become a data analyst if I had to start over? So in future, if I want to upgrade my career from being a data analyst into a data scientist for better growth and opportunities, then how I will do that. Before going further in this video, let's talk about some mistakes that a new person do. When a person wanna become a data analyst, the first thing they do, they come to the YouTube and search about how to become a data analyst or what is the roadmap of the data analyst. And they get so many videos, they start watching them, following the things that has been told in the videos, because in this video people will tell you to learn SQL, Power BI and Excel to become a data analyst. But here is the problem. This videos has been uploaded to YouTube 2-3 years ago and lack of some information that we need in 2026. I will not tell you that learning these tools are worthless, but the approach is outdated. 2-3 years ago, learning these tools first is a good choice to become a data analyst. But in 2026, you need to start with something else. You need to learn some extra tools before starting with SQL, Power BI and Excel. So it will help you more to get a data analyst job in an easy way. And also if you want to switch in the future to a data scientist, you can easily upgrade it. So if I had to start over, I will start with a coding language and it will be Python, because Python is good for data science and data analysis, and it has variety of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn that is very helpful to do the data analysis, EDA and feature encoding. I will not start with the SQL directly because SQL is very easy to learn and it is only a query language. If you will start with SQL, you will be spoiled in an easy way. So after that, if you want to learn a coding language, it will be hard for you. So I will recommend to start with the coding language and it will be Python, because Python is the most easy language among all other languages, just like JavaScript, C, C++. And for the data science and data analysis, Python is the best. With the Python and its library, I can do data manipulation, data cleaning, visualization, EDA and the feature encoding. That will helpful in the machine learning part and deep learning part after learning data analysis and getting a data analysis job. After learning Python and its library for data analysis, I will move to the SQL and Tableau and Excel. After learning all these tools, I have to make end-to-end data analysis projects. And how I will do that? For making end-to-end data analysis projects, Python will help you a lot. Then you can use query to get the insights of the data. After that, I will make one big project that will be a internship level project, and I will go to the Forage website where I can find so many data analytics projects. After learning all these tools, building projects and the internship level projects, I will start preparing for the interviews. For that, I will use a data analysis interview books or data science interview book and start applying for the jobs. But for hunting jobs, I will not only do the on-site jobs or remote jobs. I will try for every kind of job, just like internship, remote job, on-site and hybrid jobs. After getting a data analyst job, I will continue my learning to the machine learning and deep learning for my better future and growth, so I can upgrade my career from data analyst to data scientist. But if I want to be directly a data scientist, then I will go with the Python and its library NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. And for advanced visualization, I will go for Plotly and Cufflinks. And then I will not learn the SQL, Excel and Tableau. I will just skip that part for further, and I will start with the machine learning, scikit-learn, deep learning and PyTorch and big data, and then I will start learning the SQL, Tableau and Excel. So I can have two kind of approaches. If I want to be a data analyst, after learning Python and its library, I can go for SQL, Excel and Power BI and building projects and applying the jobs. And if I want to be a data scientist, I will go with the Python and its library and directly machine learning, deep learning, big data and then SQL, Tableau and Excel. If you found this video helpful, you can like the video. If you have queries, you can comment down below. I will reply your comments. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it. It just motivates me to make more good content on this channel. And have a great day.